Domestic violence and mental issues must be confronted by the government, says Member of Parliament Amanzo Walton Desir.
So to the degree that we are able to empower our people financially, economically, to the degree that we are able to provide resources that, one, demystify issues of mental health, remove the taboo of people talking about where they are mentally and how they truly feel. And then, of course, enforcement is a problem. Enforcement is a big problem.
The police more often than not decline to help on the grounds that it's a man and woman story. There is also the need to deal with the impact on children, she said. Suicide is also a major problem. Region 6 is said to be the suicide capital of Guyana.
We have to talk about this. We have to destigmatize this. Certain things in Guyana are still taboo. You know, we still laugh at people when they share their struggles publicly. We make fun of them. There has to be maturing that happens. And there has to be government-led investment in mental health.
There is the need to train more mental health professionals, she said.
Which is why, Dr. Rose, when you sit and you think about just how complex and interlinked these things are, you wonder how the PPP has time for the nonsense that they engage in, because there's so much serious work to be done. Work that could see every Guyanese who is willing to work being engaged in these matters.
The suicide rate in Guyana is the second highest in the world. At the same time, the health practitioners are woefully underpaid.
You have to incentivize them. You know, you're a teacher, you're a trained teacher, etc. You get a house lot at a discounted rate. You get special financing, concessionary financing, etc. There are ways to do this.
In the absence of satisfaction, many are leaving. Guyana is desperately short in nurses and teachers. It's the same throughout the public service.
Some nights you pass some police stations and the gates are closed. You know? But then what is the take-home pay of a constable? Life should not be this difficult in a country with so much and so little people. But it's a question of governance. It's a question of the parliament not working. It's a question of the government that does not believe that it's accountable to people for the way they spend their resources of the people, and that they shouldn't have to answer. And that is where it is. It's bad governance.